Hi, hello everyone. Myself CHETHAN.K.M from Kinkare. Today in this video we are going to know about articles and its types and examples and its usage. Let's start. So what is articles? Articles are a type of determiner. So what is determiner? It means in linguistics a determiner is a type of word that expresses the relationship between a noun or noun phrase and other words in the sentence. How it helps, let us know. About the determiners helps to specify, identify which noun is being referred to, and quantify, indicate the quantity or amount of the noun, and it describe the and provide more information about the noun. Okay. Some examples of determiners include, for example, articles the, a, and an. And possessive adjectives also we call it as determiners. My, your, and his. Demonstratives this, that, these. And quantifiers some, any, all. Distributives each, every, either. Determiners usually come before the noun or noun phrase. They modify. In this class, we are going to know about usage of articles and its types with an examples. Articles are a type of determiner that modify nouns and indicate whether they are specific or general. There are two types of articles: definite article and indefinite article. Usage of definite article. The is the definite article. So why it is definite article? Because specific noun. When we speak of a particular person or thing, we use the. It refers the specific book and also before the names of a holy books like the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible, the Vedas. When a singular noun represents a whole class, for example, the tiger, the whole tiger family, we especially says that the tiger is very ferocious animal. Next one, previously mentioned noun. I saw a cat. In the second sentence, we already previously mentioned that there is a noun. I saw a cat. In the second sentence, we continue the cat was black. Refers to the cat mentioned earlier. So, in the second time, we use the. Unique noun, we use the. The sun rises in the east. These are the universal truths. In these cases, we use the refers to the one and only the sun because there is only one sun. There is only one earth maybe. Name the name of oceans, name of seas, name of rivers. For example, the Pacific Ocean is a vast. Refers to a specific ocean. Next one, before the names of dynasties, the historical monuments, we use the Kadamba dynasty, the Vijayanagara Empire, the Taj Mahal, the First War of Independence. Yes. Next one, it is specific and we use the definite article the before the musical instruments, the flute, the piano, the violin. Next, before the political parties like the Congress, the BJP, the JDS, and so on. The next one, next rule is when we use the definite article, when we use the specific with the superlatives. In the degrees of comparison, in the superlatives, we use the definite article the most beautiful, the longest, the highest, etc. For example, Swami is the best student in the class. Rose is the beautiful flower. Yes. Next, before the religious groups and the people of nation, the Hindus, the Indian, the Muslims, the Christian. The next one, with the ordinals means ordinals are words that express position or rank in a sequence. They are used to indicate the order or position of something. For examples like the first, the second, the third. Ordinals are commonly used in dates. The meaning is on the 5th of March. Sequencing, this is the third step in the process. In these are the main points I already told you, the way we use the definite article. The next I will tell you in the indefinite article. Indefinite means it is non-specific. For example, any, a and an is an indefinite article, non-specific nouns. And for example, I need a pen. Say any type of pen. I need a pen. Refer to any pen here. A teacher, any teacher. A book, any kind of book. A tree, any tree. We use that is non-specific. We use indefinite article a and an. First mention of a noun. I saw a cat. It was black. Here refers to any cat. That is, cat is a cat we use. And next one, general statements. A car is a useful vehicle. Refers to any car we use a car. Names of professions. He is a doctor. Refers to any doctor. Uses of indefinite article a before the words beginning with consonant sound a, e, I, o, u. Before the consonant sounds, we use a book, a pen, a cat. With the vowel letters having consonant sound u, a university, a uniform. Yes, we use a. We don't use an. Only we use a. The next, we use before the word beginning with consonant sound a boy, a book, a pen, a cat, etc. With the vowel letters having consonant sound u, a university, a unique, a uniform, a useful, like that. Uses of indefinite article an before words beginning with vowel a, e, I, o, u. These are the sounds like an apple, an egg, an umbrella. Before the words beginning with silent h, and hard, and honest, and honorable, we use an. In some cases, we don't use any article, there is no article, there is a omission of articles, and where we don't use the article, that is in plural nouns like cats are cute. We don't use any article, no article needed. In uncountable nouns, water is essential. Here, water is uncountable. We don't use any article. Here, no article needed. Next, names of countries, names of cities like India is a vast country, no article needed. Names of meals, breakfast is my favorite meal, no article needed. Before proper nouns, we don't use a Raju, the Raju, and Raju. We don't use a Raghu, and Raghu, the Raghu. We don't use any article before the proper nouns. And before the languages, we don't use any article. And before abstract nouns used in the general sense, we don't use any article. And the next, please remember, use a before nouns starting with a consonant sound. Use an before nouns starting with vowel sound. Use the for specific, for exact, previously mentioned or unique nouns. Here are some examples of articles. The definite article a an indefinite article. No articles examples. Cats are cute. It's a plural noun. We don't use any article. Water is essential. It's uncountable noun. We don't use any article. India is a vast country. We don't use before the country name. Before the breakfast is my favorite meal. And the exercises, let's start. Dash earth revolves around dash sun. He is dash useless fellow. Their leader is dash unique person. Gold is dash previous precious metal. I am dash I am dash Indian. Pooja is dash excellent cricket player. Dash sun rises in dash east. He is dash LIC agent. MS Dhoni is dash best cricket player in the world. Dog is dash faithful animal. Thank you.